Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a rather simple short video of installing a tonneau cover on my 1990 Mazda B2200. Now I want to get this out of the way first. This tonneau cover is not designed to fit this truck. It is for a 2004 to a 2012 Chevy Colorado with a 6-foot bed. I want to be clear, this tonneau cover will not fit your single cab Mazda B2200 or B2000 no matter what. It is the wrong dimensions as the single cab bed is roughly 1.5 inches longer than an extended cab bed. For the single cab, you'll want a late 90s Toyota Tacoma tonneau cover. I will leave a link to both the one that fits the extended cab, which is the Chevy Colorado, and the one that fits the single cab, which is the Toyota Tacoma, in the description below so that you can purchase either or. With that being said, let's get to the relatively simple install of this tonneau cover. So here we have all of the pieces it comes with. It comes with a rail marked L for the left for the driver's side, a rail marked R for the passenger side, the tonneau cover itself, which is rolled up, and then the clamps that will clamp onto the underside of the bedside, as well as some foam seals. I'm not going to be using those foam seals as there's rubber seals all the way around. Those are meant to fill in cracks, which this does not have because it is not a Chevy Colorado. So the first step for installation is going to be to slide these onto here. It's pretty obvious how it goes on. It only fits one way. It kind of just locks in place and then you're done. Takes like 2 seconds per side. Super duper simple. Just make sure it's actually on there all the way. It's kind of got a thud to it when it actually does go in. Now I'm just going to unroll the tonneau cover so that it is easier to transport into the truck bed. This specific tonneau cover does have a locking mechanism. Now, find yourself a helper, whether that be a friend, family member, something or else, and we're just gonna lift this thing up and bring it into the truck bed. It's not very heavy. Okay, that's all. Now with the tonneau cover roughly in place, I'm just gonna unlock it, roll it forward, and we can start attaching clamps. Now the package comes with a couple Allen screws and a Allen wrench, so you don't need to buy any tools for this. It comes included with what you need. I'm just going to get this started on here, get it to the point where it's not tight, but I can still move it. And these things don't need to be super tight. It's not like it weighs a lot. This is just the initial tightening for adjustment from here. So that should be good. A little looser. I can still move it. Now I can tighten it just a little more. Now I'm going to do that for the other couple clips and adjust as I go, and should be done. Now all that's left is to roll this out. There we go, it's locked in place. All done, just like that. Now I am going to adjust the Velcro on here so that it's nice and taut on everything. But For the price I paid, I think it was around $180. I'm not gonna complain too much. Fits good, and it isn't even for this truck. So, not too bad if I say so myself, off of just my guesswork from forum posts and things of that sort. So yeah, feel free to copy my homework and buy one of these things. It's the only tonneau cover that I know of that actually properly fits an extended cab B2200. The Toyota ones are too long, and that's what everyone says that they use. But I think it'd be nice for people to know that there is actually something that fits. So overall, I think this thing fits pretty good. Don't have any complaints really. It's a tiny bit short, it's like a ½ inch short, but with the combined front and back, you can hardly really notice unless you're super duper looking for it, as well as the fact that my bulkhead is bent and so is my tailgate, which a lot of these trucks have that because they're old, they've been beat up, they've been work trucks. So it may not be exact, but it's going to be close enough for pretty much anyone who has one of these trucks. And I want to reiterate, this will not work on a single cab, so do not try and put this on a single cab. It is going to be an 1.5 inches too short, and you'll just have water dumping in if it rains, and there will be a big air gap. So this is for extended cab only. But yeah, I mean, the quality seems pretty good. I think I paid $170. Only time will tell how long it'll last, and I may update on my Instagram or something if I start having problems with it. But with that being said, it's going to be the end of this video because I have nothing else to show you. So leave a like, subscribe, comment, do whatever, you know the deal. And I will see you in the next video.